Hello everyone, this is part 1 MySQL database queries. In this tutorial you will learn all the MySQL database queries and you can handle your projects easily by using these queries. These queries videos are uploaded step by step. That's the first part. In this part you will learn how to create databases and tables and how we can create many databases at once and tables. Let's get started. First of all, you will start with the WAM server of XAMPP server. If you already installed WAM server or XAMPP server, you can open this. If it's not installed, you can watch my other video how we can do the installation of WAM or XAMPP server. It's already installed in my system, so you can click on PHP My Admin. By default, username is root, no password. Remove the password. Just click on SQL. Use the DDL command. So we'll use these commands for our database queries for MySQL. DDL commands DML, DCL, TCL and DQL. First of all, we'll use DDL command for the creation of database and tables. Create, drop, alter, truncate. We'll use all these commands in our upcoming lectures. So right now we are starting with the create command, how we can use the create command. By using the create command of DDL, we will create database, more than one databases at once, create one table or more than one tables at once in our database. So we already opened the PHP My Admin. First of all, we will learn how we can create the database. Create database, name of the database, suppose that I am giving here LMS. Click on the execute the query. Database is created. You can see query result returns successful. So you can find here the name of the database is LMS. Click on this LMS. Again click on SQL. The SQL command queries will be open. This window will be open. And right now we can create the tables one by one. Create table, name of the table, student info, that's name of the table. Inside of the table we will create some columns for the student info, like student roll number, ID or contact address. So first of all we'll create the student ID, student underscore ID. Make sure you will not make any space between this column name, like student ID. So student ID should be the combined name like this, or you can use the underscore as student ID. Give the data type integer, int, auto increment, primary key, not null. Second column, give the name of the second column std, name, give the data type varchar, 500 or 50 any you can. Give the length of the column for characters. Student address, varchar 500. So we have created 3 columns in this table. The name of the table is student info. The first column name is student ID. Second column name is student name. Third column name is student address. So execute the query. So this query is successful and we can check our table is created in the LMS database. So you can see the name of the table columns, student ID, student name and student address. So I will upload the queries in the video as well. In the description you can find the link and download the queries as well. So right now we have just learned how we can create the database and how we can create the tables. So if you want to create more than one databases at the same time, so we can create. First of all, we click on the home option, again SQL, and we are going to create more than one databases. Create database, name of the database, suppose that just simple name I am giving here, db1. Second name of the database, create database db2. db2, terminate the statement, terminate the command. So we can copy, make sure all the databases name should be different. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. You can see here we are going to create 6 databases at once. Execute the query. You can check that 6 databases are created, db1, db2, db3, db4, 5 and 6. Click on one database table and we are going to create more than one tables at once. Create table, name of the table, student info, then create 1 or 2 or 3 columns. Just I will create only 1 or 2 columns so that we will save the time. First column name is student ID, data type int, primary key not null, auto increment, std, name varchar 50, and second column name is student name. So we can create second table, third table, fourth table and fifth. Copy paste. Fee table, change the column name fee ID. Subjects, change the name as subject ID. Just I'm giving one column so that will save the time. Alright, so we can terminate the each table. So you can see here we have created 3 tables. The first table name is student info. Second table name is the fee table. and the third table name is subjects. So 3 tables are created. We have given the name of 3 tables. First table, second, and third table. So we'll find what's the error is there. We should remove these commas because these are the each table having one column. If we have more than one column, so we can place comma here. So right now statements are okay, we can execute the statement. Actually the error was coming if student 4 table is already existed in the database. So we have just changed the name, create table student, second table name is fee, third table name is subjects. So all the tables having one column, the first table having 2 columns. So we have added one more column in each table for testing purpose. So we will execute the query. So you can see query is successful and all the tables are created in the DB1 database. So we can easily create more than one tables and databases by using the queries. So thanks for listening. Thanks for watching the first part. In the second part we will learn some more queries related to MySQL. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.